see him, Ben?
He's right at it. He's looking at it. He's chasing. He's chasing. He's chasing. He's still chasing it. Oh, there he is. Oh my God, it's a big fish. Whoa! Oh, this is such fun. We got a long way to run here, buddy.
This is 15-pound line instead of 8.
Okay, that's better. I can just play him as long as it hangs on to him. That's a big fish. 15, 20 pounds probably. Woo!
They'll look smaller once we get them out of the water.
Well, maybe. Oh yeah.
That's good. He's on the back hook, and that's got power through.
Yeah, that's what you want.
Between the two hooks.
Woo, doggy, look at that big old fish. Ooh, look at that, man. This is how I like to fish, sitting in the shade, watching you catch fish.
I hope it's a different one.
I think it is. He looks darker. And I don't think it's an alligator gar.
It's a long nose or a spotted. Yeah, it is.
It's a long nose, yeah.
No,
Oh!
these are as
Common.
short nose or alligator.
Oh, okay. Imagine how big these things are going to be further down. And apparently we're here at the right time of day because they're biting. It's a good one. Oh, it's a decent fish. He's not a monster. Oh, he's a good one. There you go. Good fish. Still got him?
Yeah, he's there.
Not very big, is he?
Oh, yeah, I think it's in between the one you caught and the one I caught.
Oh, that's a good one. That's a
look at
good.
following him, Ben. Did you see that?
Oh shit! Here I'm goofing off.
Oh, he's right there.
Yeah.
Oh, that one came right here. Did you see that?
He came
It
over.
came right up underneath him.
Look at that. There's a bunch of fish in here. And this creek moves around a lot of sand. It's incredible. It filled in that whole hole. That used to be a big hole right there. Filled it all in. Neat place though. Good fishing. There's our alligator tracks. We didn't miss them. We didn't see them coming. See that wiggly line? Where an alligator walked right through here. And down there somewhere.